Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your font in Windows 11 or 10 desktop, PC or laptop. So the first thing that you have to do is just simply right click on your desktop screen and go to new and create a text document. Now just simply open the text document and paste the codes given to you in the description box below. Now this is the code that you have to paste over here. Now, after doing that, just simply go to your start menu and search for fonts. Then go to your font settings. Now, over here you will find multiple fonts. So, just simply choose whichever font you want. Let's say, for example, I want this font. So, just simply click on it. Now, the name of the font is visible over here. Now, what you have to do is just simply write this name over here where it is written NewFont. So just simply write exactly how it is written. Now just simply copy this name because it will be needed soon. Now after that, just simply quickly check is the spelling correct or not. Now after that, just simply click on File, then go to Save As, and in Save As, just simply write the name of that font. Just simply paste it because we just copied earlier. Then write dot, then write font, then again write dot. Then in the end, just simply write reg because we are making a registry file. Now in the save as type, just simply click on it and choose all files and save any location to your computer. I would prefer to go to desktop and save it over there. Now just simply click on save and a new registry file will appear on your screen. Now you can just simply close this window. Now after that, what you have to do is just simply double click on it and then press yes. Now again just simply press yes, and after that just simply restart your computer and the font will be set. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.